Now we will see assignment operators. If you did not see my previous video operators and types of operators, you please watch that video. Now we will see the assignment operator. So here we have seen up to logical operators. Logical not can be written as a, for example, not x is equal to y, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, 1 is equal to. Condition is false here. So false means it will return the false. Not false means it will return the true. This is about the logical not. Now we will see assignment operator. The assignment operator is nothing but a is equal to. Assigns a value or variable or expression to the left side variable. For example, x is equal to 3. This is nothing but a assignment operator. Is equal to is nothing but a operator. So we are assigning value to the left side variable. Next, y is equal to x plus z. This is nothing but some expression. You are assigning some expression to the left side variable. X is equal to y. You are assigning some variable to the left side variable. Okay, y is assigning to the x and so on. So here the assignment operator can be used to assign a value or variable or expression to the left side variable. This is the example you can take. Next one, unary operators. What do you mean by unary? Single. So here these operators can be applied on the single operand only. Okay, this you need to remember. Unary operators operate on a single operand. So here what are the unary operators means? Minus, plus plus, which is nothing but you can call it as a increment operator. Minus minus, you can call it as a decrement operator, and size of is the one of the unary operator. We will see one by one. First we will see minus. Minus means nothing but a simply if you are mentioning minus 20 like that. Okay, minus a, which is nothing, a is equal to 20, and minus a, which is nothing but a value will be minus 20. Next we will see increment operators. So here in the unary operators we have taken increment. No, that increment operator we will see. So here increment operators are again classified into pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means increment operator before the variable. Pre means before. Okay, so plus plus x. Post means after. Okay, x plus plus is nothing but a post increment. Pre-increment, before assigning the value to variable, the value is incremented by 1. So here before assigning the value to the variable, assigning this value to the variable, the value is incremented by 1. So plus plus means it increments its value to 1 before assigning the value to the variable. For example, x is equal to plus plus y, and where y is equal to 6. Plus plus means what? It increments a value to the 1. So x is equal to now how much? Y is equal to 6. Plus plus y means y value will be increment by 1. After the increments, it assign it to the x, which is nothing but now x is equal to 7, and what is the y value now? Y is also 7. Incremented value assigns to the left side variable. After the increment, it assigns its value to the left side variable. That is nothing but a pre-increment. Next, post increment. Post means what? After assigning the value to the variable, the value is incremented by 1. For example, x is equal to plus plus y, where y is equal to 6. Same example I have taken. So here before increment only, okay, sorry, y plus plus. So y plus plus means first is assigns the y value to the left side variable, then it increments the y value. So here y is nothing but a 6. 6 will be assigned to x. Now x is equal to 6. After that y value will be increments, which is nothing but a y is equal to 6 plus plus, which is nothing but a y is equal to 7. Okay, before increments value assigns to the left side variable. These are the important topics only. Next one, pre-decremented. Same, pre-decrement also same. First it decrement, and after the decrements it assigns the value to the left side variable. Post decrement means before the decrement only it assigns the y value to the x. Next, later y value will be decremented. So these values you try to do by yourself and comment me if you got the answers. Okay, next, size of is also a unary operator, returns the size of the operand in bytes. So here this sizes will be depends upon the compiler, and for example int x float y char z I have taken. Int x means it takes the 4 bytes. Size of x, if you mention, it will return the 4. Actually there is no space, sorry. Size of x means it will return the 4. Size of y means it returns the 4. Size of z means it returns the 4. Char means 1 byte. Okay, so size of z it returns the 1. Size of y, float also 4, int also 4. For example, size of double means 8, it will return the 8, and so on. These are the unary operators. Okay. Next we will see conditional operator. So here after the unary operator we have conditional operator. Now we will see the conditional operator. This conditional operators I will explain in the next video. Please watch it.